Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Archer Park Rail Museum. Let's check it out. So folks, excuse the leaf blower noise in the background, but if you look straight down here, closest on this side, that's a tram. Rocky used to have trams. Brisbane, where I was born, used to have trams too. All gone by the end of the 70s in Brisbane. I'm not sure when they finished up here in Rockhampton, but you've got the trains there. Guys, you can jump on the trains, you can take as many photos as you like. The main museum is there. Let's check it out. So folks, what I'm loving about this museum is you can climb on the trains. Okay, there's a disclaimer and a waiver when you do that, and it reminds me, you know, when I was young, once again back in the 70s, there was an old decommissioned train in the park in Happy Valley, Caloundra and Bulcock Beach, Kings Beach sort of intersection there across from Bribie Island, and so love climbing over the train, the old decommissioned train. So let's have a closer look at this decommissioned train. This very handsome train, isn't it? Fire engine red on the bumper. Let's have a closer look. So we got the sleeping car. Let's have a look inside. So there you go, guys. You saw a little bit of the history of the trams in Rockhampton. Let's go and jump on this one and have a quick look. Love me some tram action. So there we are, guys, Archer Park Rail Museum. I love it. Love a bit of train spotting and a tram in there too, folks. Only $10 to get in. Non-concession, cheaper if you've got a concession card, etc. And well worth checking out, guys, if you're in Rockhampton, this fantastic little museum. And we'll see you again soon on CoffeeChillTV. Cheers for watching.